Pronouns. Pronouns can be substituted for other nouns. For instance, if you are writing a story or talking about your friend Ryan, it will begin to get repetitive if you keep mentioning his name. Ryan is so funny, and Ryan is very kind. Ryan has a cat called Amber, and Ryan has a dog called Spotty. I love Ryan's emerald green eyes. Oh, it comes across as monotonous and dull. We use pronouns to replace proper nouns like Ryan or common nouns like boy. You could say, Ryan has a cat called Amber and he has a dog called Spotty. I love his emerald green eyes. He and his are known as personal pronouns. Other personal pronouns include I and me, you, he, she and him, it, we and us, and they and them. Sanjeev gave them the letter. Them is the pronoun. Look at Ginger. He has climbed to the top of that tree. He is the pronoun. She is a superb dancer. She is the pronoun. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are also useful in our speech and writing. They are used to connect relative clauses to independent clauses. Often, they introduce additional information about something mentioned in the sentence. Relative pronouns include that, what, which, who, and whom. Let's take a look at some examples. We do not know the person who vandalized the school. Who is the relative pronoun. He visited the same holiday home that my mother recommended. That is the relative pronoun. To conclude, pronouns are extremely useful words, especially when you are writing longer sentences. They help make writing smoother and less repetitive. Hopefully, you now feel more confident to recognize these word types when you complete some tasks on your own.